Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. My name is Ayo Amigun, and our topic today is law and order. We'll be looking at three objectives today, and I believe at the end of today's topic, students should be able to know what is law and order. 2. What is the difference between law and order? 3. What are the characteristics of a society exhibiting law and order? And the last one, how to improve law and order. Though we have other objectives that we'll be looking into in the topic, but these are the few highlighted ones. So, let's start with what is law and order. This is a state of a society where vast majority of population respect the rule of law and where the laws enforcement agencies observe laws that limit their power. We all know we live in a society where we must maintain law and order. The police must enforce the law to maintain order. So, what is the major difference between law and order? It has been highlighted here that law is a set of rules containing things you can and cannot do, while order is a condition where law is adhered to. It's one of the primary objectives of law. So, how do laws maintain order? We're talking about how the laws maintain order here and not how to maintain law. We said how the laws maintain order. We said most governments maintain by having a police force or security personnel, placing or implementing laws, and prisons are some examples. Anything that keeps the government stable or value or the people. So, what are the duties and obligations of the citizens in a society? I have just 9 points here, which are 1. To be loyal to the society. 2. To honor its national flags. 3. To defend the society. 4. To contribute to state development and welfare. 5. To uphold the constitution and obey the laws. 6. To cooperate with the duly constituted authorities in the attainment and preservation of a just and orderly society. While the 7th one says to exercise right responsibility and with due regard for the rights of others. While the 8th one says to engage in gainful works, and the last one says to register and cast his vote. So, when we talk about society, characteristics of a society exhibiting law and order, they are polite behavior. This is where individuals have a polite behavior towards each other. 2. We can say respect for others. When individuals have this respect and regard for one another. And we also have good interpersonal relationship when we all marry and journey together. And the 4th one, secondary, intergroup and intercommunal relationship, when two communities can come together to achieve one common goal. So these are few features of society where laws and order are exhibited. So, when we talk about laws and order, how do we improve laws and order? 1. Volunteer. This is one of the best ways to improve law and order in our society. Complain or compliment. This is another way you can improve or maintain law and order. When you complain about a certain thing and it is being worked on, or you compliment something to improve on. 3rd one says participate in community meetings. And the 4th one says serve on the citizen advisory board. And the last one says be your neighbor's keeper. So before I go, let us see what maintenance of law and order is all about. When we talk about maintenance of law and order, we're saying maintaining law and order implies firm dealing with occurrence of theft, violence and disturbance of peace, and rapid enforcement of penalty imposed under criminal law. So I would love to leave you with this exercise before I go. 2. What are the relationship between law and order? And the last one says, what is the characteristics of society that maintain law and order? Thank you for your time. See you in our next class.